Hi everyone, Tshegofatso here. Thought I would make a video of the English Setswana body poster to help in pronunciation of the Setswana words. So, mmele wame is my body, mmele is body, wame like belonging to me. So, mmele wame, head is tlhogo, neck, molala, shoulder, legetla, chest, sehuba, tummy, mpa, arm, letsogo, hand, seatla, fingers, menwana, knee, lengole, leg, leoto, foot, lenao, toes, menwana ya leoto. So this is like fingers of the foot, of the leg, yeah. So the Setswana words mmele wame, tlhogo, molala, letsogo, seatla, menwana ya leoto, lenao, leoto, lengole, menwana, mpa, sehuba, legetla. Okie dokes, good luck!